Hello, this is my Food Inc. video response for environmental health, and I'm going to discuss how we individually and collectively can be more environmentally conscious and ethically conscious in our food consumption. So I think that there's five main things that we can do that I gathered from the film. The first thing I think is that we should buy from local farmers markets. It's shown in the film that a lot of small farmers are struggling because they're being pushed out by industrial agriculture. And a good way to support local farmers and small businesses is by buying from local farmers markets. The second thing is we can buy organic, non-processed foods. It's pointed out in the film that most stuff that we buy in the department store is very different and has been through a lot of processing from their original form. So buying organic food helps with that. It helps break that food system. Third, we can discuss with our family or your family how to eat more healthfully and consciously. That's what I did after watching Food Inc. With my family, discussing on maybe instead of buying food at Walmart, we could buy food at the farmers markets, Sprouts, or something like that. Fourth is eating smaller portions to eliminate food waste. It's brought up in the film that Americans eat large portions, and then that contributes to food waste. So eating less, smaller portions helps eliminate food waste. And then finally, donating to local activist groups and charities, such as the people who made this documentary. And here are the sources for the pictures. And that's all I have for today, because I'm about to run up to time. So thank you.